day 6 of writing 41 songs in 41 days. Obviously being the weekend, my little boy's not in school, so I really don't have much time to do this today. So I was thinking that what I might do is try and like just write the shell of a song and maybe do a little bit more work on it tomorrow. Right now it's a good idea just to try and get something done. Just see if there's any ideas to work with. Day 6, let's get cracking. Awooga! Right, we're just going swimming. We were talking, weren't we? And I said to you, it's good to learn how to swim so you don't have to hold on to me anymore. And I was thinking that's quite a metaphor for parenting, isn't it? It's like, you know, it's quite sad to think that your kids don't really want to hold on to you anymore, or don't need you anymore. Say cheese! Okay, now I've just come up with this guitar part, and I think this is actually really quite nice. I've got this idea which is kind of like an A9, A add 9, going to this F sharp, I suppose it's minor 7. So this knife is actually the B, so I can actually do that down here. Do it twice, and then. So if I can come up with something to go with that, like vocally, I'll be more than happy with that as the starting point of a song. Let's see if I can get some inspiration for lyrics somewhere. You only to hold on to me. On Saturday mornings, I take my little boy swimming. There was something I was saying to him in the car beforehand. We're taking you swimming so you can learn how to swim by yourself. So I was thinking that's kind of like a good metaphor, is that we teach you things in life so that you don't need us anymore. You don't need to hold on to me. See, that actually works so well because now the melodies. To hold on to me. So this could be quite good. Let me work on it for a bit. I think I've had a little bit of an idea. I've literally come up here for just about an hour, if that. Especially not now. I've got probably half an hour. It's just decision making. That's what this next hour is. Just decision making, and I quite like it. The idea of this challenge is literally just to exercise in writing and doing it all the time, and you know. It seems to be working for me so far. I know it's only day 6. I'm going to give myself 10 more minutes. And if I get another part, then I've got like a template to work from. So I'm going to try and come up with another part. You won't need to hold on to me anymore, 'cause I will teach you to swim on your own. Chord progression A. So I'm thinking about like having this ascending bass line, so then the F sharp minor, and then to the E major with G sharp and the bass, it's first inversion. So, and I was thinking, just describing the situation of going swimming. So kick your feet, try to swim to me. The water's really nice and warm. Okay, I've got up this morning, I've just done a little bit of work on this, so I wanted to just get this a little bit more polished. So I've got the picking part a bit more refined. The idea is kind of like to bookend it, so the first part will actually be the last part and then the verse is just in the middle, so it's kind of like no real chorus, it's just the beginning bit, middle section, beginning bit again to end it with. I've just done the recording of the song. I've already spent too much time on it, so I have just done kind of a rough kind of recording of it, very demo like, but overall, I know I seem to keep saying this, but this is definitely my favourite so far. Like I don't know, there's just something about it, like it feels really personal, I suppose because it is, and I just really like it. So please check out the song if you want to. It's on the screen now. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you tomorrow.